everyone! So today we are gonna do the baby food challenge! Yay! You happy?
No.
No. Okay. So we have 3 baby foods each. And yeah. So, let's get to it. You wanna go first?
No.
Okay. Go first. And then like put it up against the camera to do it.
Like that?
Yeah. There.
I can open this.
We may need a can opener. Here, I'm gonna open mine right now.
I can't open it! I'm a baby. It hurts.
This one's hard.
I have precious hands.
There. Got it. Got mine. They're all baby nut.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Which one did I take? This doesn't even fit.
Just hold it like that.
Wait, I got this. Come here. Face. No, face.
Okay. Go.
How big should the spoon be?
Do like a half a spoon.
Wait, you're gonna like...
Peach and banana.
No. Not even close.
What the heck? Okay. I may have to do that one again. Okay. What is that one?
Here.
Oh! I'm dumb. Pear.
And?
Apple?
No. Every time you get it wrong, we should give you more.
Oh god, okay.
Ready? You were half right.
Okay. Pear and something. Strawberry?
No.
Blueberry!
No.
Is it a fruit?
Is it? I don't know my fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
I don't know. Gosh. Pear.
Can't you get a
And-
clue?
No.
Mm.
It's red.
Or blue?
There's no blue.
Raspberry?
Yeah.
Yes.
You had like half of it.
Well, it was actually pretty good. Okay.
Let me do this, okay?
Okay. Have to look at mine.
Well, I like these, Dad. This doesn't even...
I think I got her all good ones.
You think?
I think.
I'm scared. I'm gonna like get it all over myself. Like I need a bib right now.
Is it focused?
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
There you go.
Okay.
Will I like this, Dad?
I don't think you'll like any of these.
Seriously?
It's like
Dad, are you serious?
Most likely.
Okay.
Oh, great. These are small.
Okay, it is.
Banana.
Yeah.
Is it just banana?
Yeah. I want to try it.
It's actually pretty good.
It is really good.
I like that one.
Okay.
Put it on the lid.
It's really good.
That was actually really good.
I think I got you good ones. All good ones.
Hold it.
Okay. Oh, God.
Your feet are like wet.
Is that
Okay.
to cleanse your palate?
Shouldn't do it. You guys are drinking. Drunk anyway.
I'm not drunk.
Sure.
Good.
I just don't like this one.
That's a big spoon.
I know, that was like really big. Blueberry! And?
Apple?
Yep.
Raspberry.
Oh. Here.
Like she had like all of that one.
I love that one.
And you didn't know what it was.
It's really good.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're scaring me.
Okay, wait.
What are you doing?
Hey!
Are she like combining them?
What?
What is she doing?
Oh, okay.
What did she get like turkey dinner?
No.
What?
Oh, don't.
No, what?
She. All right, go ahead.
No, don't, stop. What are you doing? Dad, what is she doing?
She might get sick, but.
What? No. What?
Focused?
I'm
Yeah, it's good.
not eating it if it's nasty.
It's not nasty, I swear to you. I
What?
have to mix it up.
What'd you do?
I had to mix
Is
it
it supposed to
up.
have chunks in it like that?
I'm not gonna eat it.
Just, Lily!
I am not eating
It's a fruit! Lily?
I'm scared. Hold on.
Just eat
Wait, Dad, is it gonna be nasty?
You might not get sick.
Dad, honestly.
Try it.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Come on!
She should try it first.
I think she has.
Yeah.
Is it like sweet potato?
No, she's like eating it while waiting.
Dad, I'm serious. Is
Come
it bad?
on! It's not bad. I just tasted
It's
it.
like taking medicine.
Banana.
And?
Strawberry.
Yep.
What were you guys talking about?
Nothing. It's a secret.
Kind of like the carrot.
You got carrot?
Maybe.
Is that the orange one?
Daddy ruined it. Like, honestly, I don't have anything to do now.
She already knew.
No, but now she's not gonna.
I want to taste it. I want to see if it's gross.
Well, you have to have the word before it.
Okay.
So it's something carrot.
Sweet carrot.
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, look.
Ugh. Ugh.
I should just do it like this.
Oh no! Just do tiny.
And this is the girl that doesn't like pizza sauce.
Tiny. Tiny. It's probably like the biggest one.
Open your mouth.
Oh.
Better make it wider.
Is it gross?
I think it's carrot. It's sweet carrot.
Yeah.
Pretty gross.
Where's the banana? Do you have like a paper towel where I can wipe my face?
No, you have to stay like that.
Can I use this?
Yeah. I don't know where it's probably like the cup.
That's a.
Yeah.
What is that? Dad, isn't like what you'd use to dust the bookshelves?
Whatever. Okay, I don't care. Ew, I got it on my arm.
Your shirt.
Her white shirt.
It's white and yellow, technically.
Okay, is the
No, it's
program
not. It's
done?
black and blue.
It's white and yellow. Okay, whatever.
Do you sign off or something?
No, I have to do my last one.
You're gonna do the same thing to me.
Ugh.
I have to do the last
You're
one.
gonna do the exact same thing to me, aren't you?
What?
Carrot.
Like, big handful.
No.
Because you're gonna get back to me some other way, right?
No. Okay. Put your blindfold.
I don't believe you. You put that carrot all over it.
Well, not as much. Just
Not as much. Yeah, you're just putting it on your eyes. You don't need it.
that was gross. Here's your
What are you
glasses.
doing?
Okay.
I'm scared. I can't even like. Should I get a bib?
Just open your mouth.
Dad, should I
Let's
get
do
a?
it.
Is it like blueberry?
No.
Open your mouth.
Not it. Oh.
I still have it on my arm. So cute.
Alright.
It's like, just eat the bananas. I gave you the sweet carrot because we had the same one. We had the apple.
I told you we had the same one.
We did. Well, that was exciting.
That was horrible.
Nasty.
Why don't you eat the bananas?
I don't have baby food.
I love bananas. Okay. Whatever. So, yeah, that was my video for this. Today. For this day.
For this day.
Yeah. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow, maybe? Or I don't know. Tomorrow or Friday.
I gotta like vlog.
Yeah. Woo! So I will see you tomorrow and